Okay, 1 bedroom condo for sale. Ito yung kitchen. Tapos ito yung living area. Living area. So, yan. With mountain view. Ito yung buong living area at saka yung kitchen. Tapos ito yung bedroom. Bedroom and then toilet and bath. Yan. Tapos ito yung shower area. Yan, yung shower area. Tapos yun. Tapos meron siyang terrace. Ito po yung veranda. Ayan yung veranda and ito yung view mo from the veranda. Ayan, kasama ang mga furnitures dito. Yan.